Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Solana on Trust Wallet. First, ensure you have the official Trust Wallet application installed on your smartphone. Setting up your wallet involves creating a new one or importing an existing one, and critically, securely backing up your 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your only way to restore access to your funds if you lose your device, so keep it extremely safe and private. We will then move on to funding your wallet. To fund your Trust Wallet, you have a couple of straightforward options. You can directly purchase cryptocurrency like BNB or Ethereum using a credit or debit card through one of the integrated third-party providers within the app. Alternatively, you can transfer existing crypto from another exchange or a different wallet. Always double-check that you are sending funds over the correct network, such as BEP20 for BNB, to avoid any loss of assets. Now that your wallet is funded, let's swap for Solana. Open the Swap tab, usually found at the bottom of your Trust Wallet screen. Select the cryptocurrency you currently hold, for example, BNB, as the UPay asset. Then, choose Solana or SOL as the UGET asset. Enter the amount you wish to swap, review the estimated exchange rate and network fees, and then confirm the transaction. The swap typically completes in a few moments. After confirming your swap, your Solana tokens should appear in your Trust Wallet within a short period, usually a few minutes. You can check your wallet balance to verify the successful transaction. Remember, securing your wallet is paramount. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone, and consider enabling additional security measures like a passcode or biometric authentication within the app settings. Regularly update your app to benefit from the latest security enhancements and features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.